Vodafone PAC Code Request when changing phone. If you want to change your mobile network from Vodafone to any other network, or want to come to Vodafone network from any other network, you will need a PAC code. But a question comes to mind that how to get a PAC code from Vodafone? For the request of PAC code, at first, you have to give notice for the ending of your contract to your network providing company. If you are a Vodafone customer, then 191 is the dialing number for the helping desk. Otherwise, calling from any other network, you should dial 0333 040 191 to get the code. You can do it by message service also. If you are a VF customer, then for getting code through message, then just sending SMS PAC to 65075. This message will be free of cost and the process of transferring will be started. Vodafone PAC code form is a 9-digit element that is a mixture of alphabets and numbers. After getting this code, you will have to give it to your new network provider. It is very important to remember that this is not just the case in Vodafone. In fact, if you are the customer of any other network, you will need this particular code. PAC code will remain active for 30 days. I do not use it within 30 days, then it will automatically expire and you have to contact your network provider company again for the new PAC code. After receiving the code from your existing network, your new network operator will demand it from you, because this code will enable the new network to transfer your number from Vodafone to the new network. Precautions regarding Vodafone PAC code transfer procedure. You should not cancel your SIM and mobile contract before porting procedure. Otherwise, you will be lost your contact number and you will not be able to proceed with the further process of porting. After giving PAC code to a new network, your old account will be automatically closed. If there is any remaining balance in your SIM, then you should use it completely before transferring, otherwise after porting you will lose your balance in the old network. Sometimes people remember their remaining balance after changing their network, and this is impossible to retrieve your remaining balance after porting to a new network. So utilize your balance properly before contacting for the PAC code. Otherwise, you will lose the remaining balance. The same case is with the remaining data also. If you are looking for a PAC code to move on to a new network, then please utilize your remaining data properly and completely, otherwise in case after the complete porting procedure you will not be able to retrieve your balance data. Normally it is recommended that always try for a PAC code when you have used completely your data and balance both, because this is a convenient way. At the time of porting, no one can better use properly their remaining balance and data on an emergency basis in very little time. Some people donate their remaining balance by texting on to a charity organization. What is the Vodafone Port Authorization Code? PAC stands for Port Authorization Code. If you need to transfer to any other network, then you have to contact your existing network's helpline to provide you with a PAC code. This code is a 9-digit code. Alphabets and numbers are included in this PAC code. If your existing network is Vodafone, then you will have to request a code from Vodafone. For this process, you should know the process that how to request PAC code Vodafone. This whole process may take just 24 hours to 48 hours to complete transfer procedure. 3 types of situations in PAC code: network changing and its solutions. There are 3 types of situations in network changing. You are a Vodafone customer and want to go on any other network. If you are using any other network and want to come on the Vodafone network. Want to upgrade your current network SIM or Vodafone phone. Every situation has a separate solution regarding porting from any other network. Now we have to discuss in detail the comprehensive understanding regarding this procedure. 1. If you are a Vodafone customer and want to change your network. There are 3 methods to request a PAC code. By logging into the website. Any person can achieve PAC code from Vodafone by logging into My Vodafone website. After logging in, you will go to the account setting option and find there a mobile switching option. By using a text message option. This is the second method to achieve your PAC code. In this method, go to the write message option, write PAC and send it on 65075. You will receive a PAC code by a phone call. In this method, you will make a call on 191 from your Vodafone handset. Otherwise, if you have any other network, then you can make a call on 03333 040 191. You will make a call at the time of working hours of Vodafone. Working hours from Monday to Saturday are from 8 AM to 9 PM. To get a code from Vodafone is free of cost. After receiving your PAC code, you will give it to the new mobile network operator and it will enter this code to switch on to a new network. 2. Request PAC code Vodafone to join from any other network. If you have a different mobile network and want to transfer your network on the Vodafone network, then simply ask your old network to give you a code. By this, you will change your network to the Vodafone network. After joining the Vodafone network, you will have to choose a package plan according to your requirement. The following are the details of the packages. Monthly payment package, SIM-only package with 30 days package, 12-month package, and 24-month plans. Basic SIM-only package with 6-month, 8-month, 10-month and 15-month plans. iPhone package. Samsung Galaxy package. Pay-as-you-go package. Vodafone Business, low-cost package with 36 months. When you receive your new Vodafone SIM card or phone. When you receive your new Vodafone SIM card or a new Vodafone, switch it on and notice that everything is in good condition and working properly or not. If you want to return your Vodafone handset or SIM due to any specific reason, you should do it earlier before porting to any other network. If you have a handset of Vodafone, then you should call on 191 for the PAC code. Otherwise, request a PAC code through a call on 03333 040 191 if you have any other network. If PAC code is provided to you before 5 PM, then it will transfer to another network on the next day, and if you receive your PAC code after 5 PM, then you will have to wait for 2 days to be transferred on another network. Sometimes the PAC code is provided to you at the time when you purchase a new SIM set or a new SIM card. It means you have not contacted the network provider for the PAC code at the time of cancellation of the contract or moving on to any other new network, because that particular PAC code is already with you. In this case, your time will save. You can give that PAC code to the new network provider. Plain upgrading on your Vodafone network. If you just want to upgrade to a new Vodafone mobile set or upgrade to a new Vodafone package or tariff, then just visit the Vodafone website and no need for code. On this website, there are also different types of packages which you can select according to your requirement and budget. Some other cases other than the Vodafone PAC Code Request. Vodafone is a necessary item in some cases. As we learned in the network transferring case, that how we find our PAC code in the network porting process. We do not need it in the contract cancellation process. If anyone willing to end his contract with Vodafone, then the process is also here. Following are the situations regarding cancellation of a contract with other than PAC code requirement. If you want to leave the Vodafone network and join a new network with a new number. If you do need of moving to any other network and just want to cancel your contract with Vodafone. Now we will discuss these two methods in detail. Anyone want to move on to another network with a fresh new number? The stake code method will be applied for this procedure. Stake stands for Service Termination Authorization Code. When you want to move on to another network and want a fresh number, then the stake code method will be applied. There are different methods for the different networks in the situation of the stake code process. To achieve a stake code, you have to experience the different methods for the different networks. This method is called Vodaphone's standard cancellation process. A notice of 30 days is applicable in this case. You will call on 191 for the standard cancellation of your contract. Early termination of your Vodaphone's contract. If you're in the mid of your contract period with Vodafone and want to cancel your contract with Vodafone, then you should have to pay the early exit fees or early termination charges. In other terms, these charges will be the remaining fees for your remaining tenure of the contract. But these charges are only applicable when you want to terminate your contract during the period of the contract. Otherwise, these charges are not applicable in other cases, like to change your network to any other network except in contract cases, etc. These charges or fees are calculated based on charges of the monthly plan and the rest of the timing in your contract. The following formula represents the calculation of that contract. Monthly rental charges multiply by contract period, months, with is remaining left multiply by 98%. You can get information regarding the amount of early termination by texting the word info on the number 85075. PAC code needed in case of changing your smartphone. If you want to change your smartphone as upgradation, then you can act on the PAC code or stack code cancellation process in case of moving on to the new network. PAC code methods and stack code process methods are already discussed in the earlier stages of cancellation of contract due to weak signals of Vodafone coverage. Due to the weak signals of your Vodafone coverage or Vodafone network, you can cancel your contract. In that case, charges or fees for early cancellation will be applied also if you are in the mid of the contract period with Vodafone. This situation will also fall under the category of early cancellation of the contract. But if you feel that early cancellation is an expensive procedure for you, then you should think about how to improve your network signals or coverage ability. Wi-Fi calling is the best feature in this regard. You can use it for better coverage of your Vodafone network. Sometimes there are weak signals from the coverage tower in the back end. In this situation, you make a call on 191, which is the helpline of the Vodafone network, to ask them to improve the network signals from the control tower of network coverage. Because sometimes there are weak signals from the network's control tower in the specific area or locality. In this way, you can avoid your cancellation of the contract by saving your time and money both. If your network coverage is good enough but you want a cheap deal of Vodafone, then you should avail yourself the option of SIM-only deal, which is sometimes called the piggyback SIM card option. This plan will give you more data at a low price. I hope this video on Vodafone will help you to find the PAC code easily. Let me know in the comments about your views, and do you want me to add anything else?